The first one, our first topic is geometrical isomerism in alkene system. Geometrical isomerism in alkene system. Geometrical isomerism exhibits in alkene system. Now I gave one example, that is what is the compound, that is 2-butene. That is 2-butene. This given structure, that is cis isomers or trans isomer. Please identify the this given compound, cis isomers and trans isomers. What is cis isomers? What I said, that is same type of group or atoms present on same side around the double bonded carbon. This is two methyl groups are there. This first carbon having one methyl group, one hydrogen is there. A second carbon also having one methyl group is there, one hydrogen is there. These two methyl groups are same side. These both are having the double bonded carbon having two methyl groups are there. These two methyl groups present the same side on the same side. So this is compound is called cis isomer, that is cis 2-butene. Given compound it exhibits geometrical isomerism. It is first one exhibits the geometrical isomerism. These two methyl group present in the same side of the double bonded carbon, so it exhibits cis isomer. And what about the second compound? It exhibits geometrical isomerism or not? So, and second compound also exhibits geometrical isomers. So why? Because of this carbon having one bromine is there, one chlorine is there. And what I said, that is compound should contain different terminal groups, should be different. This is the terminal carbon. This terminal carbon having terminal group. These terminal groups must be different. So this carbon having two different groups. So that's why it is also exhibit geometrical isomerism. And what about this one? And third compound, it is also geometrical isomerism. It exhibits cis and trans as both. It exhibits cis and trans. And what about the third example? And what I said, that terminal group should be different. This carbon having, and two carbons are there, they have double bond also there. So double bonded compulsory. What is the condition? Compound should contain double bond. And second one is the system must be restricted rotator system, means absence of free rotation, means do not without rotation. And third one is aerial distance. These are the condition for exhibit the geometrical isomerism. So now example, now take the third one. In third one is terminal groups should be different, but this carbon having same groups are there. Both are same type of terminal groups. This what is the terminal group means should be different, but here these two terminal groups are same are there. So this do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Third compound do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this carbon having both are same groups are there, hydrogen, so do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. And what about that fourth one? And fourth one also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this carbon having two different groups is there. This carbon having two different, one methyl group is there, one hydrogen is there. And right side carbon also one methyl group is there. So right side carbon also two methyl groups are there. So left side carbon must be two different groups are there. First carbon having, left side carbon having two different groups are there, but right side carbon having same type of terminal group, methyl. So it is also do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. So and another one is cyclohexane compound. This double bonded carbon having same density. So if you take the cut here, of cut here, so these both are having same density. So this is also do not exhibit geometrical isomerism. And what about this compound? This compound also exhibits geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of this double bonded carbon having, if you take the cutting here, two half of cutting here, so above the plane, this is the density is different. With this above the carbons having chlorine is there, below the carbon having different. So these both are different. Two half of cut here, the cyclohexane cut here, two half of compounds are formed. Above the plane more density, below the plane different densities are there. Both are different densities, so that's why it is also exhibit geometrical isomerism. And what about this one? It is also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Why? Because of here CH2 is there, here cut here, this CH2, this compound having both are the geometrical isomerism. So it is also exhibit geometrical isomerism. Double bonded carbon having two different groups are there. So above the, we are cutting with here CH2, this carbon having double bond, one hydrogen is there, here CH2. So these also exhibit geometrical isomerism. This compound also exhibit geometrical isomerism. So these are the important geometrical isomer. Students, geometrical isomers exhibits in alkene system. So in alkene system, what is the conditions? What is carbon carbon must and should double bond, and next one is system must be restricted rotatory system, means without rotation or free rotation, absence of free rotation. And next point is terminal group should be different, means ending, this terminal group should be different, and aerial distance must be different, this aerial distance must be different. So these are the important points for important conditions for geometrical isomerism. Student, if you like my video, please like and share and comment. Thank you.